Hey everybody, Lance Finucci here at MarineMax, Gulf Shores, Alabama. We're here today to talk about the Harris Solstice 240 Tri-toon. That's right, 3 tunes on this boat. Also comes with the saltwater package, has a bimini top, brand new style of a Mercury 200 on the back, and one of the best warranties in the business. When you're standing on this boat, everything under your feet has a limited lifetime warranty. Everything above, 10-year. The engine back there, 5. Can't go wrong. Let's jump on board. We'll take a look at some of the features of the boat. Welcome aboard this brand new 2019 Harris pontoon. First thing you'll notice is that you have seating for 14 people on this boat. Tons of space. Another thing that is brand new for 2019 is a floor locker that they put in that can hold all of your longer equipment if you have any skis or anything else like that, or if you want to stow away the cover to this boat, which is actually in its mesh bag, and we'll see that right around the corner in a moment. Moving down the boat towards the helm section, first thing I'd like to just show you is another large storage area underneath the helm. Currently right in there are 2 of the tables that are optional that we ordered with this boat, so they'll be on it wherever you want them placed. Moving up to the helm, another great feature of the new boats, they come with a Simrad already installed. That's a 5-inch screen, fits right onto the dash. Other gauges are right in front of you, right where they need to be. Stainless steel steering wheel with leather insert, and also all the controls right where they need to be. Moving over to the passenger side, we don't want to leave the passenger out, so they have a captain's chair as well. That would be the mesh bag that I just talked about with the whole cover that's on it. And you also have more storage under every single one of the seats that are in this boat. Continuing our journey down the length of this wonderful boat, you'll see more seating for all your friends, a reinforced door, which we also have one on the port side midship and one in the front as well, which all hold up to 400 pounds of pressure. We also have a ski tow bar on this model, because with the 200 you could easily pull any of your friends in any kind of skis or tubes or anything else that you would want. And there's a stainless steel 4-step boarding ladder when you need to cool off and jump in the water so you can get back in with ease. And that's the Harris Solstice 240. Brand new 2019 model here at MarineMax Gulf Shores, ready for you to take on the water.